Remove mirror glass.
The mirror glass can be levered out. Because sometimes, like for me now, this isn't so easy, you'll find a detailed tutorial in the information card and in the description. After the glass has been freed, unplug the heater cables. When pulling, be careful not to tear off the solder joints.
Remove mirror cap.
The mirror cap is initially attached to the housing with one screw. There could be a second screw on the dash ring, which wasn't the case for me. Now comes the hardest part. Free the individual hooks of the cap from the housing. Here you have to repeatedly press the hooks inwards and at the same time pull the cap upwards. This process can take a while because it's not that easy to pull the cap up all the time. Once the cap has been loosened, free and unplug the turn signal connector. Here is the process with the side view mirror removed. Here you can see better that you have to pry the cap out again and again in order to finally remove it from the housing.
Remove the turn signal in the side mirror.
After the cap is off, you can replace the indicator. Simply remove the two small torque screws and take out the indicator.
Remove side mirror housing.
In order to be able to replace the housing, you must first remove the door panel. There is already a tutorial for this, in the info card or the description. After the panel is off, pull out the inner cover of the door frame. When reinstalling, make sure that the cover slips nicely into the seals everywhere. Unplug the central connector of the exterior mirror. First pull out the red lock, then press it on the side and unplug it. Now just unscrew the 3 screws of the mirror. Two of them are under the small covers. Remove the screws and then remove the mirror. The cable harness should of course be free everywhere. That's it. All important tools and tutorials are linked in the description. Good luck!